Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. You'll want to check this one out.
Beachy Beach.
So today we are in Callaway. It's very, very near to Tyndall Air Force Base, which is perfect. We have so many personnel that'll be coming to the area, and this is a perfect first-time home or even a retirement spot. It's a cozy little home, about 1,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. It's exactly what you need. And what's great is you're really near grocery stores, right near Tyndall Parkway. You can hit it to the beach. Everything is just so close. So come on, let's go check it out. So welcome to this precious house. I love it. It's 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,400 square feet, and just so much space. You've got this beautiful living room here, right into your dining and your open kitchen. This beautiful peninsula is ready to help, just imagine, serve your dinners and guests and all of that, and everybody can just commune and have fellowship together. So let's go check out the bedrooms. Welcome to the main ensuite. Notice how much light is in here. It's absolutely stunning, and throughout the rest of the house. You've got 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, one being right here in this ensuite, for plenty of space, as you can tell. You can use them as bedrooms or an office or whatever you need. And don't forget, you gotta check out the sunroom. It adds to that Florida outdoor living and lifestyle, kind of bringing the outdoors indoors. And there's even a great little yard for the kids or your 4-legged fur babies or whatever you need. So for more information, look in the description below. Check out the live listing link that gives you details on your square footage, your rooms, extra photos, and everything that you need to come check it out. And call your favorite realtor, or if you don't have one, call me. We'll give you a private showing. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, The Beach Show on YouTube. Ring that bell so that you don't miss out on any future deals like this one.